Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
You cannot develop love of Godhead in 1 second. You can, provided you are so sincere and God is very much pleased upon you. He can give you immediately. That is possible. But that may be some rare cases. Ordinarily, this is the process. Ādau sadhya tato sadhu sangha. Just like you have come here in this temple, you have got some faith. All of us. That is called sadhya. Ādau sadhya. There are many 100,000 in this quarter. Why they are not coming? This is the beginning. You have got some faith, sadha. You have come. Ādau sadha, tato sadhu sangha. And if you continue what we are doing, we are making the association to take lessons from these Vedic literature. This is called sadhu sangha. In the drinking shop, we make one kind of association. In the restaurant, we make one association. In the clubs, we make some association. Different places. So here is a place. Here is also association. It is called sadhu sangha. Association with devotees. Ādau sadhya tato sadhu sangha. And if one is mature, then he wants to execute devotional service. Bhajana kriya. And as soon as there is bhajana kriya, the unnecessary nonsense things will disappear. No more illicit sex, no more intoxication, no more drinking, no more gambling. Finished. When anartha nivittisya, all these rascal habits are gone, then nishtha, then fawn face, not to be agitated. Tato nishtha, tato ruci, then taste. You cannot live outside this camp. Taste has changed. Tato nishtha, tato ruci. Tatah shakti, then attraction. Then bhava. Bhava means ecstasy. Krishna. Then there is love. There are different stages. So, this real religion is how to love God. That is real. Dharma. Jato bhakti rada. Sabai pumsang paro dharma. There are different kinds of dharma, religious system. But real religious system means how you have learned to love God. That's all. Nothing more. No ritualistic ceremony, no formula, nothing. If your heart is always crying for God, that is perfect religion. That is perfect religion. That is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sunnaitam jagat sarvam. Oh, without Krishna I am feeling the whole world is vacant. Vacant. Yes. So we have to come to that state. Of course it is not possible for all of us, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed us how to become first religious person. That is to feel always, oh, without Krishna everything is vacant. Sunnaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. That is dharma. That is dharma. So the Vishnu Duta is tasting these Dhamma-dutas, whether he understands what is the meaning of dharma. Dharma we cannot create. Dharma is neither Hindu dharma, Muslim dharma, Christian dharma, this dharma, that dharma. They may be some sectarian understanding, but real dharma means how you have learned to love God. Thank you.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,